Your pizza oven is set up and ready to go, and this is time for your first ignition. The first thing that you want to do for a gas ignition is remove the door, reach inside, and if the burner cover is installed, remove the burner cover, store it in a place where it's protected, and the ash dam goes in, and we're ready for our ignition sequence. You're ready to ignite your natural gas or propane. The first step is to make sure you have a AAA battery inside your ignition button. When you're ready, hold down the knob and turn 1/4 to the left to the ignition. Then press your ignition button. You should hear the clicking and hold this for an additional 5 seconds. That'll ensure your pilot light is ready to go. If you fail to get ignition immediately, you may need to bleed your lines. Bleed your lines of oxygen, bringing the gas, natural gas or propane, up to the pilot. The way that you do that is turn the dial and you bypass that thermocouple by pressing it in. That will allow air to flow. As a matter of fact, if you put your ear down, you can hear the airflow. Do that for 20 to 30 seconds, turn it off, wait 5 minutes, and then begin your ignition sequence again. The importance of a thermocouple in any gas appliance is for safety. What it prevents is the buildup of any gas in the appliance. So if a knob accidentally gets turned on or turned open, it's not going to allow gas to build up. As a matter of fact, the gas will not flow until that pilot is lit. This is the importance of that ignition sequence for your safety and for the use of the pizza oven. We've easily reached 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit in no time, and I've allowed the oven to burn off for about 45 minutes, which means it's ready for food. When you want to turn the oven down, all you have to do is turn the dial clockwise, and if you turn it all the way to the ignition setting, that will allow you to keep the pilot light on and do one of two things. Either cool down while you wait for another pizza or hold it until you're ready to bake again.